Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel. In today's video guys, if you have any of the following three vehicles guys, Fiat 500, Chrysler 200 or Dodge Ram ProMaster guys with the 2.4 MultiAir engine, and you're trying to find the torque specs for your spark plugs, okay, stay with us guys and we'll explain okay what the torque specs are. Now as you can see, we have the engine out of the car. You do not need to remove your engine guys just to replace spark plugs. We remove the engine because we will have more than 100 videos on that engine alone, and we want guys okay to make everything super nice, easy for you to see the details, see every single bolt and stuff like that. So that's why guys we remove the engine, so you can get the idea and you know what to do. Otherwise, if it's in the car, it's practically impossible for us to show you how to fix some things on that engine. We do that guys, all that work, so we can save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, it means a lot to us. Now if you need guys torque wrench or any of the tools, new plugs, spark plugs, we'll have the links in the description of the video, check it out. Let me explain now okay what we need to do. So this is it guys, you can see this is the engine, 2.4 MultiAir engine. If you want to see the video guys how to remove and replace spark plugs, we have it on the channel. Now torque wrench guys is very important. Why? Because when you install your spark plugs, this aluminum head, if you get them too tight, okay, you can strip the thread. If you leave them too loose, they'll get loose, they'll start vibrating and they will damage your cylinder head, and that guys could be catastrophic for your engine. Now we have the plug here, the spark plug, we have the torque specs and the gaps set already guys. You can check the video if you need to see the gaps, we have it. This is a spark plug wrench, that socket that holds the spark plug so it doesn't drop sudden. That way you're not going to damage your gap setting. Gently push it in, okay, and start getting it tight by hand only at first. Do not use any impact wrenches, anything like that guys. Okay, perfect. Now after you get it tight by hand, we have guys that torque wrench. Okay, this is a click type wrench. Once you set okay the torque specs for it, when you start getting things tight, when it reaches that torque, it's going to click and the handle will move a little bit. At that point you need to stop immediately, otherwise you'll put too much torque. According to what we found online guys, most people get them tight at 20 foot-pounds for that engine, 2.4 MultiAir engine. We've done that in the past many times and we haven't had any problems. So listen now. That's it guys, you can see how it clicks and you should immediately stop. So that's how you guys do it. Thank you guys for watching. Please, hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.